the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the merciful. Fellows, welcome back to Sardar Ghulam Fareed. In today's video, we are going to learn about what is hazard, top 10 common workplace hazards, and how to prevent them. So let's start with the hazard. Hazard is anything that has the potential to cause harm, like injury, illness, or damage. ऐसी हर चीज़ जो हमें नुकसान पहुंचाए वर्क एक्टिविटीज़ के दौरान उसको हम हेजार्ड कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, वेट फ्लोर्स, exposed wires, harmful chemicals. Identifying hazards is the first step to keeping the workplace safe. If you want to work safely at the workplace, so you need to identify what are the hazards and remove those hazards if possible. First is slip, trips, and falls. Keep floors clean and dry. Use warning signs and wear proper shoes. Proper shoes means personal protective equipment. There are so many, like hat, like coverall, these all things, but you must have to wear shoes whenever you work at the workplace to keep safe you from the hazards and keep floors clean and dry. Second is fire hazards. Avoid overloading sockets, store flammable materials safely, and keep extinguishers nearby. Whenever you start work at the fire hazards, you must have a work permit. Secondly, ensure extinguishers are there and flammable materials are safe. If there are flammable materials, you have to cover it with the fire blanket. Third is manual handling injuries. Don't lift heavy loads alone. Bend your knees and use trolleys or machines. If there is a heavy material for lifting, you use crane or machinery. Don't use your hands and don't lift heavy loads alone. Fourth is the chemical hazards. Read labels carefully, wear gloves and masks, and work in ventilated areas. Whenever we deals with the chemicals, there are MSDS, Material Safety Data Sheet. You have to study MSDS of the chemicals because there are what hazards are there. If the material is corrosive, how to handle, how to shift from one place to another place, what are the corrective actions are required, each and everything written on the MSDS. Fifth is noise hazards. Use ear protection when working near loud machinery. There are one PP that is the earplug you use whenever you work in the noise. Work at heights. Whenever you work at the above the ground level, at least 1.8 meter, that is known as a work at height. For work at height, you also need a permit to work. Then wear safety harnesses and check ladders before use. Means use the properly PPEs. You must have a work permit and use scaffolding or harnesses. Seventh is electrical hazards. Inspect cables, avoid wet hands, and never use damaged equipments. At this machinery hazard, keep guards in place and follow lockout takeout procedures. Ninth is housekeeping. Remove clutter, clean spills, and keep walkways clear. It is related to the first one. Whenever you work at the workplace, you must ensure the housekeeping because you can fall if there is not a proper housekeeping. Stress and fatigue. Take short breaks, manage workload, and get enough rest. Conclusion is safety begins with the awareness. Safety is not a task of the one person, only the safety officer, but it is the awareness. We all togetherly we can do the safety. By identifying and controlling workplace hazards, we can prevent accidents and save lives. Like, share, and subscribe for more safety tips. Thank you.